Welcome to Module 5, Prompt Psychology, What the AI Hears. In this lesson, we'll look at how AI interprets prompts and why the way you phrase a request changes the probabilities of the answers you get. Our goal here is to understand how AI hears prompts and how framing, tone, and specificity shape the output it generates. The core concept is that AI doesn't understand like we do. It predicts the most probable next words based on your prompt. That's why the same question can produce different answers. It's probability, not comprehension. The way you frame a prompt shapes the space of possible answers. Ask, why is remote work bad? And you'll bias the response. Ask, what are the pros and cons of remote work? And you'll get a more balanced view. Tone and role dramatically change how AI speaks. The same task explained to a child comes out playful and simple, while explained by a professor it becomes formal and technical. Role and tone steer the voice. Specificity narrows the probability space. A vague prompt like, write an article, leaves the AI wandering. But ask for a 200-word article with 3 subheadings on AI and healthcare, and you get something focused and useful. To recap, AI hears probability, not meaning. Framing, tone, and specificity all shape the result you get. Your action step is to take one of your prompts and rewrite it 3 ways: negative, neutral, and positive framing. Compare the difference.